We're situated here on Lake Mulwala, on the borders of New South Wales and Victoria, split by the mighty Murray River. I'm Knowles, I'm the owner-operator of the Paddle Steamer Cumberoona behind us there. It's an old side-wheeler, that's one of the nicest things. There's only a handful of paddle steamers left in Australia. It was opened by the Queen, she commissioned it. It's got twin Buffalo pits, 16 horsepower steam engines in it, both 1904 model, so 100-year-old steam engines. You can either come on for our luncheon cruises each day. On our luncheon cruise we do about 40 minutes of commentary as well. But one of our main things is where people private hire the whole vessel for different events. So we've got the fully licensed bar, upstairs, downstairs, we have live bands, DJs. One of the main things in the Cumberoona, we cater for the whole family. We just like to make it a big family affair. Getting out through the old red gum forest, that's pretty special out there. I love taking people out through it. Yeah, it's a really special spot. We are the only paddle steamer on the Upper Murray. Get down here, make the most of it, see our beautiful waterways, get out amongst the red gum forest and come and enjoy the P.S Cumberoona.